Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be here with me today. Walter here at the STRATOS XL. I've got a almost 14-inch bowl, maple blank. It's been rounded on the back like you saw in my other videos. And today what we're going to do is, using the Woodcut Bowl Saver, we're going to try taking out the center of the bowl in one piece to use for another smaller bowl. So it's called coring, C-O-R-E, coring. And it gets a little noisy and scary, but it's nothing to worry about. I chose the woodcut over some of the other systems because it locks into the Morse taper on the tailstock. I make sure that's all locked. Tailstock and banjo is locked down and everything's centered up, ready to go. So with no further ado, I'm going to get this at about maybe 500 RPM. It's a good idea to clear it out once or twice. Just so you don't get any shavings built up in there. Plus, near the end, there's a stop block. I want to make sure that's kept clear. I'm going for about a 1 3/8 inch wall thickness. Stop and check once in a while to see how much the core is moving. See, it's starting to move. So that means we're real close. See that? Done. Take that off, and you can see the core pops right out. So now you've got a bowl blank with the screw mount still here. I can put that back on the lathe, create a tenon there, put it back on, hollow it out, and I'll have 2 bowl blanks to set to dry for a while. Pretty amazing, eh? So what I'll do now is I will smooth out this edge, lightly chamfer these corners, and then smooth out the bottom and set it aside to dry. So there you go, the Woodcut Bowl Saver and a hard maple blank, saving wood instead of making shavings. So there you go. Hey, listen, I hope you found something useful, helpful, maybe entertaining, and head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.